incredible, beyond imagination. Get ready to witness raw power and unparalleled precision, from daring rescues to jaw-dropping excavators. Start with the Volvo A40 articulated dump truck with its powerful 350 horsepower engine, delivering impressive performance on all terrains. The flexible articulation design makes the vehicle easy to move and has a large payload, optimizing work efficiency in heavy construction projects. A powerful crash under the overpass. The truck with 600 horsepower engine was torn off. The hood was shattered. The trailer crashed into the concrete, causing the goods to be scattered all over the road, creating a chaotic scene. The sound of steel screeched. The collision left behind heavy damage. You must be wondering, how could the MiG-21 be dropped safely at Kemerovo Airport? This is the perfect answer. With a powerful engine and 12,000 horsepower, the aircraft was dropped precisely. Thanks to specialized lifting and crane equipment, the landing process was safe, without causing damage. Don't miss the Caterpillar 390F with its powerful 320 horsepower engine, durable design, and superior performance. This giant machine is tearing apart resilient steel structures, bringing incredible destructive power, optimizing work progress in construction projects. In the scrapyard, Shear CI 13,000, a monster with terrible power, tears cars apart like paper. Equipped with a powerful engine and sharp cutting blades, the machine crushes every piece of metal, creating an impressive scene with absolute efficiency. Don't hesitate to leave a like if you are interested in this machine. During a demolition job, Kohler's Cat 349EL excavator, with its powerful engine and durable design, is removing a large concrete foundation from an excavation pit. With its superior power and precise control, the machine gets the job done quickly, efficiently, and safely. To demonstrate its superior strength, the 225,000-pound Bomag BC 1173RB 5 landfill compactor ran over and crushed 2 cars at the Innovation Days event. With its durable design and high performance, the machine easily handles heavy-duty work, delivering optimal efficiency. In harsh working environments, the leaper dumper with a powerful 400 horsepower engine operates smoothly on all terrains. Durable design, the vehicle helps transport materials quickly and efficiently, optimizing work progress in large construction projects. Amazing recovery. The large wheel loader with its superior power is pulling out the dump truck stuck deep in the sand. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, the wheel loader easily rescues the dump truck, demonstrating its ability to work effectively in all conditions. Thanks to a powerful excavator, the scene of the collapsed Stassfurt Shack Leopoldschau 3 water tower is being dealt with. The excavator removed the remaining parts of the tower, removing the danger quickly and efficiently, ensuring the safety of the surrounding area during the construction process. Soon after, the Yin 80 wrecking ball demolition machine, with its powerful 500 horsepower engine, was a key part of the demolition of the engineering administration building. The large impact ball combined with the engine power helps to destroy the solid concrete structure quickly and effectively. In the rear-end collision on the A2, the 35,000-pound steel coil broke through the bulkhead, creating a horrific scene. The trailer truck was severely damaged. The giant steel coil caused extensive damage, and chaos engulfed the area. If you also find this machine awesome, don't forget to leave a like to motivate yourself. Next up was the Dnepr crane, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, which was hoisting machinery down into the construction pit. However, due to the heavy load, it had an accident and floated up, unable to bear the weight, leading to an unexpected accident. A great maneuver on the narrow street. The Volvo with its powerful engine and 500 horsepower showed impressive agility. Despite the difficult ride, the car still moved easily through the tight corners, ensuring safety and efficiency. With the ability to work effectively in harsh construction environments, the Liebherr R945G8VA excavator, equipped with a powerful 230 horsepower engine, is constructing natural stone walls. With its durable design and precise operation, the machine ensures the progress and quality of the project. Too fierce. The load capacity of up to 110,000 pounds, the capacity of the cable, and the impact of wind are important factors that determine the stability of the crane. It seems that the direct cause is that the left cable is damaged, reducing the load capacity, leading to the cable breakage. Oh my God! To ensure safe transportation, the 275,000-pound Liebherr 984 excavator was moved by a Fasullas heavy-duty truck. With its robust design and superior load-carrying capacity, the truck easily moved the excavator through difficult terrain, ensuring uninterrupted construction work. With just a powerful excavator, the building finally collapsed in the blink of an eye. The engine roared, and each piece of concrete shattered under the fierce attack of the robot arm. Everything collapsed completely, marking the end of the great project. Did this machine overwhelm you? If so, drop a like to let me know. The first silo collapsed right behind the cowsheep, creating a loud noise. However, the incident only slightly damaged the gutter, causing no serious damage. With a sturdy design, the machine continued to operate efficiently, quickly fixing the problem. Oh my God! Steven's car, equipped with a powerful 600 horsepower engine, suddenly caught fire at TANGA. With such tremendous power, the car was running smoothly when the unexpected incident caused the engine to be in danger, forcing the emergency intervention of the fire department. Capable of working efficiently in harsh conditions, Corbin Raft and the BMS heavy-duty crane are moving the LR11350 with absolute precision. With its powerful lifting capacity and durable design, this machine easily handles heavy jobs, helping to optimize progress and ensure absolute safety during construction. Wow, I couldn't believe my eyes. The boat capsized, and it looked like it would sink immediately, but surprisingly, it just turned around and then floated again, as if nothing had happened. On a challenging journey, the extreme trucking vehicle transporting oversized cargo encountered a serious problem. The wheels could not bear the heavy load, causing some of the wheels to explode and the tires to burst. As a result, the vehicle swayed and lost control on the bumpy road. Specialized machinery installs spiked piles with ground spikes, each about 32.8 feet long, in a process that lasts until the water is pushed out. This improves the stability of the ground, reduces moisture, creates a solid foundation, and ensures the safety of the project. Next, the pile driver with a 450 horsepower engine continues to perform its task, maintaining stable performance throughout the construction process. The power of the engine helps the piles to be driven deep and firmly into the ground, creating a solid foundation for the Calamalang Bridge, ensuring the safety and sustainability of the project. During the process of lifting heavy equipment, the Terex Demag crane, 352,740 pounds, with outstanding lifting capacity, is performing the task of upgrading the low-floor trailer. With a powerful engine and sturdy design, the crane ensures high working efficiency, helping to move and lift equipment accurately and safely. The Heavy Haulage team, supported by Heavy Haul Australia and a powerful Kenworth K104, equipped with a 700 horsepower engine, are transporting 2 Komatsu mining dump trucks to the Pilbara region. With their superior load capacity, the team easily navigates the difficult terrain,